overall CAT examination over the past 3-4 years as paper that we have, and I've tried to project what might come up, what are the various things, what is a good target to aim at in these sections. Before I start this, remember these are based purely on past data, as they say in mutual funds. Past performance is not an indicator of future success. Please read the offer document carefully. And the last one is QA. Again, with the other sections, we have a very nice range of QA questions. 2017 QA was extremely easy. 2018 it was pretty difficult. 2019 moderated a little bit, right? The gap between a difficult QA paper and an easy QA paper is roughly about 7 to 9 percentage points, roughly between 2 to 3 questions. Now, one thing in QA, which is not present in either VARC or LRDI, is that the gap expands, right, as you go up the percentile levels, right? We started here at a base level of about 7 percentage points, whereas at a higher level, it is more than 12 to 13 percentage points. So the good ones, and I've told this earlier, the good ones really accelerate in QA at the end, right? So it's pretty difficult to catch up people if you are weak in QA, right? But if you can hold your fort, again, because the flattening of the curve, you just need to score a certain bit and you can save it off in the other parts as well. So QA is one area where a lot of people accelerate towards the end, and you will see this happening as well this year, right? What are the targets for QA? I think the students will find it easier. Couple of reasons why students will find it easier, right? First of all, I think the difficulty will be very similar to 2019. See, if it goes easier than 2019, it will always become a 2017 sort of a paper. That's too easy. I think CAT made a mistake in 2017 giving such an easy QA paper. They might repeat the mistake, but that's too easy a paper which is there. Second thing is that you have only now 3 hours. So people are now prepared. The shock of a VARC, etc., will not be as overbearing as it is there. So I think it will be similar to 2019. Maybe, I think it's a very good guess to start with, very similar to what 2019, but students will find it easier because of the reduced timing. The fatigue factor is reduced, right? Targets which you're looking for, if you have nothing to aim for, 40% of the paper usually gives you a 90 percentile, 50% of the paper is an awesome score, gives you a 95 percentile most of the time. In case you have any queries, please do let us know on YouTube, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, Quora, Facebook and Instagram. My name is Vivek. You're watching CAT Helpline Office Hours. Till we meet again, all the best for your CAT examination.